Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is day. I look at my watch, it doesn't tell me the date, so whatever it is, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's farm. I'm still on, I guess now I'm back at Buenos Aires. Yeah, just walking around a little bit before sunset, very beautiful colors today, and just trying to find some food, and then my watch does tell me this, is that, and then I'm gonna go home and then well, do the Leetcode problem. Yeah, so let's take a look at my food, time skip, and then let's solve this problem. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I ate so fast I forgot to record it. I just got chorizo pan, basically a chorizo sausage on bread. It's very simple. Definitely recommend it. I got 2 of them. It was too much food. Yep, I recommend it. Alright, let's go. Hey everybody, this is Larry. My face is so dark for some reason. I don't think I did anything weird. Anyway, hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Yeah, so I'm back in Buenos Aires for a couple of days, and then I'm going to, this is going to be a long weekend, so we'll see how it goes. And if you're celebrating, obviously, happy Thanksgiving. But yeah, before further ado, let's take a look at today's farm. We have 10:15. Oh yeah, yeah. Further ado, let's take a look at today's farm. We have 10:15, smallest integer divisible by k. Well, I was going to say yesterday, I don't know, maybe I was just going too fast or sloppy, or both. You should have modded by 5 at every step. Otherwise, this will overflow a lot because there are a lot of numbers. And actually, in fact, it will be just slow in general, right? So yeah, so definitely my mistake. Anyway, but today's farm is going to be a little bit different. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. I didn't look at it yet. Right, so let's see. Given a positive integer k, you need the length of the smallest positive integer n such that n is divisible by k. And n only contains the digit of 1. Oh, okay. I mean, this is the same idea, but of course, this is actually like a very, yeah, a very similar problem. We just kind of keep going. The key thing to notice, and like yesterday's, you know, you have to, yeah, and like yesterday, remember to, remember to mod things is my point, right? So while k mod okay, so you have to something that's current, we start with number 1. Count is the number of digits, so we have 1 digit, right? So while current mod k is not equal to 0, then now you have to shift and add a 1, right? And that's just basically going from 1 to 11. This one is actually just 1 in the 10th digit and so forth, right? So you have to right, times 10, and then plus 1, right? And then of course you want to mod it by k to keep it small, because then now after this mod, the key thing is that then current will always be from 0 to k, right? Or k minus 1 more precisely. So that would be pretty good. And then, but we have to count a digit for every time we increase a digit, and that's basically it. And then when this is done, when the invariant's done, then this should be good. You may wonder, of course, how do we know that this terminates? Well, it doesn't, because, well, for example, yeah, we have all these other things, right? Like as an example 2, so of course doesn't have to, right? But this would normally be good, right? But the thing is that this also at most, you know, we write it this way because it was the most natural way to write it initially. But you have to remember, but as I said, current after modding k is going to be from 0 to k minus 1, right? Okay, so what does that mean? That means that on pigeonhole's principle, if you do it k plus 1 time, then you have to repeat. And the thing about this formula, right, this idea, this formula of this thing is that it gives you the if current is a function, or if current is a number from 0 to k minus 1, doing this will always give you the same number every time, right? And you could probably reasonably understand why, right? Because for example, you have 5, it's always going to give you 51. There's no crazy ideas around here, right? You just kind of shift and add 1. So the input will always give you the same answer. And that means that if you see the same input more than once, then that means that you can't go anywhere new, right? And therefore, that's basically what you should do. And here, maybe you can, I don't know, think of ways you can think about this, but yeah. And then here, maybe right? So if current isn't used, then we return -1. Otherwise, you start add current. And that's really it. You can maybe even put in a while loop if you like. I'm just double checking for silly edge case, like maybe k is equal to 0 or something silly. But all right, looks okay. Let's give a quick submit, and we are Gucci. We are happy-ish. I mean, I'm in Buenos Aires, you know. Whether I get it or not, I will still be happy. But yeah, but that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I will see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.